30,000.
Okay, sweet. And what about video?
Fine.
Okay, awesome.
This is the reply that they got. Graffiti doesn't make your life better, it just makes your neighborhood look worse. 1960s में बच्चों के पास पैसे नहीं होते थे to learn art and they broke their own bed to learn how to do backflip. The New York City subways do not have this anymore, right? When we went there, we didn't see it.
I think they've replaced all of these.
Yeah, they replaced all of these. It was considered vandalism. Yeah, I think Delhi metro में तो मैंने कभी भी नहीं देखा. And अगर आपको याद है, we go to these garage doors to get our cars cleaned in GTA Vice City, GTA 5, etc. As a kid, I used to play train games. Rail Gadi, chuk chuk chuk. We just came out of a museum of graffiti, learned a lot about the culture of graffiti, how it started from New York. I'll try to summarize it. So basically in 1950s and 1960s, बच्चों के पास पैसे नहीं होते थे to afford to learn art ताकि वो art school जा पाए. But then what they started practicing art on the roads. उन्होंने खुद बनानी शुरू कर दी on the streets, on the subway trains, on the houses as well. It was amazing to see how creative they were. And he's a famous F1 car racer. Creativity OP. And then in 1970s, they started to consider graffitis as criminal offense. उसे कहा जाता था vandalism. अगर कोई किसी घर के बाहर या किसी street पे या फिर subway train पे बना देता है, he can go to jail. I think currently also they can go to jail. But क्योंकि graffitis इतनी ज़्यादा common थी, इतनी ज़्यादा popular हो गई थी from New York to Miami and Miami to even LA, so that's why they kept some of it and उन्होंने इसका museum बना दिया. And currently it's not technically illegal, but I don't think they stop anyone because Miami is full of great colors.
Yeah.
Ford Challenger, ये Vice City में बहुत भगाई है मैंने. Restaurant पे भी मस्त graffiti है. So we got the burrito bowl and salad bowl. यहाँ पे Cuban food काफी popular है, वो कल खाएंगे.
Aquel día el instinto nos decía que esa noche juntico no quería que las ganas bebé nos ganaría.
It's a DJI store. I'm like fond of drones. पता नहीं कैसा होगा. I've never been to a drone store, right? I'm okay to film here, right? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. They said it'll be ironic to say no कि यहाँ पे video allowed नहीं है because it's a camera store. Yeah, it's really fancy. It's like a helicopter landing. क्या cost है? Flight time 38 minutes. More than Mavic Mini, the one I have. और price नहीं लिखा हुआ. Like this must be like $5,000 minimum.
Really?
Look at the size. This must be like $6,000 maybe. Some gimbals for iPhone मैंने Mobile 2 use की हुई है, Mobile 3 use की है. But it's not easy to carry. ये वाला भाई बहुत ज़्यादा ही बड़ा है.
Looks like something the military would
Yeah, it's like military. Maybe the drone that India sent to, This one is agricultural drone. मुझे लगा military drone है. So huge.
So you like fly it over like
Agriculture.
cornfields?
Yeah, cornfields and see if I think it has water too, so you can water the plants. This is really cool. It's bigger than my face.
Oh, because the ones in here like on the sides look like they cost like thousands of dollars.
Yeah, let's ask this. How much this
Wait, look at this one for instance.
The Mavic 2, yeah.
This is
$6,000 advanced one.
Oh.
Crazy price. तो इसका मतलब है कि agriculture drone तो 10,000 से भी ऊपर हो सकता है that one. And my drone is not even here. जब से उन्होंने Mavic Mini 2 निकाला है, so I think Mavic Mini 2, yeah. So since they have Mavic Mini 2, they removed Mavic Mini from their store, so they don't have it because there's a $50 difference, right? Mine is $400. I bought it 1 year ago. Now $450 you can get this one. Just like it has 4K. Mine doesn't have 4K. This is the biggest gimbal I've seen. This is for professional cameras. शायद ये red camera में use हो सकता है. तो ये टेस्ट करने के लिए काफ़ी अच्छी जगह बनी हुई है. At least the flaps or the it will not break. The wings, the propellers will not break. And they said they have refurbished Mavic Mini 2, जो 450 का आता है. You can get it for $379.
charging base.
Oh.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah. I mean, I have Mammoth Mini. I can get it. Let's see how much it costs. Trophy case for $30. So what this drone is for?
So these two drones both are used mostly for inspection.
Inspection.
They have thermal capability. This one here on the left is one of the newest ones. It has a really large camera. Come on. This camera has a really crazy zoom feature, and it's used mainly for fire rescue and inspection. So it could tell the temperature variation and difference.
This is the most expensive drone because इसके अंदर zoom है. You can zoom and you can check building का कौन सा part hot है, and then you can work on it. आप fire brigade बुला के उसे पानी drop कर सकते हो. Or you can even use the agriculture drone to drop water. But they said कि वो safe नहीं है. Agriculture drone is not safe. It's just for agriculture purposes. Yeah. Then this one is $15,000.
Yep.
$15,000, and that one? 30,000. Oh. 13 for the drone. Okay. Okay, 30,000. This is the most expensive drone here, right?
It's not like the US military is buying their drones.
Yes.
Maybe if that were the case, they'd say no.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But military के लिए भी use हो सकते हैं, but they're not made by DJI. And I wouldn't be surprised अगर बाद में शायद DJI might be making military drones for US military as well. अभी नहीं बना रहे हैं. So finally the city is crowded. We came at like 8 a.m. There was no one here.
Oh yeah.
And by the way, where are you from?
Huh?
Where are you from?
I'm from Honduras.
Honduras.
Yeah.
Oh, Mexico, right?
No,
It's near
no.
Mexico. It's near Villa Mexico.
Central America.
Central America.
Yeah, it's next to Mexico.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Do you miss Honduras? Or?
Not really because my family is here, so. But I go sometimes there.
But which weather is better, Honduras or Miami?
Oh, Miami. 100%.
It's too hot.
Yeah, Honduras is really hot.
Oh.
Moorhead.
Moorhead. Oh. I've never seen. Yeah, that's him. More. And Miami में आपको at least counting पता होनी चाहिए स्पेनिश में, like कौन से दो से, जैसे कि स्ट्रीट के नाम होते हैं ना 10 से ऊपर. तो जैसे मुझे ड्राइवर ने पूछा कि कौन सी स्ट्रीट पे जा रहे हो, तो मैंने इजीली बता दिया 14, that is 14. We are now entering Miami downtown. Such an amazing view. Highway के साथ में ही ocean.
Sabe que quiero a mi mamacita, ella también quiere que seamos felices, ella la que se apresura la vueltica,
Happy New Year. So currently we are in the Miami market. What's the name of the market, Katie?
Bayside Marketplace.
Bayside Marketplace. Okay. So here we have planned to do a tour of the celebrity houses. यहाँ पे कई ज़्यादा celebrities रहते हैं, such as Tom Cruise, I think Pitbull as well. So we'll do a tour on a cruise. It will be my first time. हर चीज़ का first time है actually यार, क्योंकि मैंने घूमना ही शुरू किया after earning. So today I'll be on a cruise for the first time in the US. Parrots.
Lo seré, su carácter no es de niña, que la puede controlar cualquiera. Y me encanta, yo lo sé, independiente.
And these are famous Latin American ice creams. Like try करते हैं. I'm gonna go for mango या फिर watermelon. Healthiest कौन सी लग रही है? I think healthiest is watermelon. No, yeah, watermelon. Yeah. There is UK.
There's Israel.
Israel. Passage to India.
Oh, it's closed.
Oh, it's all clothes. Yeah, I think it's clickbaity for us.
Hopefully this will be us soon.
Soon, yeah.
Hopefully.
We'll go to real India soon. And ये है हमारी cruise boat, right? And दोस्तों अभी मैंने check किया that CDC just posted a notice that avoid cruise. This is actually a boat. This is not a cruise because cruise में काफी लोग होते हैं. But people in Miami will not stop. So we currently right here and we gonna go till this Lakhs Island where all the celebrities live.
Boats I'll be your tour guide today, your MC, your DJ. As your captain today, we have Captain Matt in the bar.
But no one can stop Miami from partying.
They always say we YouTube.
Yeah.
Y'all add me and yo press some underscore. I make your shirts, I make your masks, I make your all that. Y'all add me yo press some underscore.
लेकिन सुन के अच्छा लगा.
Sure, thank you.